Okay, so just want to know a couple of things about you. Explain to us, why is it you come to Actif? Why do you come to Father Leisure Centre? Why did you join Actif in the first place?
Well, I've been coming to the leisure centre my whole life, my family. So I've been doing swimming lessons and it's sort of evolved now into me coming to the gym here most nights, and it's a really nice vibe, it's a really nice community here, the staff are really friendly, so sort of stuck around really.
So, would you say that everything is here that you are able to use to meet your goals? What are your goals?
Yeah.
What you get out of Active Fitness?
Yeah, so obviously I come, lifting weights in my training. Over the years, the gym has really evolved into sort of matching what other commercial gyms may offer in terms of equipment. So it honestly has everything you need, whether it be weightlifting, cardiovascular type stuff, treadmills, and also CrossFit type stuff with the air bikes, heavy balls, stuff like that. So it's sort of got everything you need.
Oh, that's great to hear.
Yeah.
So if you were meeting somebody that was half and half about joining Active, what piece of advice would you give to them to actually join Active?
I'd say just come down, go to a class, go to like community sessions, anything, just to dip your toe in, and I'm sure they'll love it. It's a genuinely a really good community, and it's just a nice place to keep fit and to look after yourself.
Amazing. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you very
Now
much.
you can carry on,